What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up for Astro, and today I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I'm gonna hop on camera and show you a little bit of review on the TextBot AI, and I want to show you some strategies of how I use TextBot AI to promote it and show you the same things that you can do. You can use this in your daily operations when you're marketing. So here in the back office, this is TextBot AI. Now, for those who wonder what TextBot AI is, it's an SMS marketing platform that helps you to be able to collect leads through SMS text messaging. And you have a virtual assistant by the name of Ava. Ava is a virtual assistant that helps you close out your prospects. That way you don't have to do any selling, telling, or any explaining to anyone. You know, Ava is the one that does that for you. So I'm going to show you here, right here. Now, how can you activate Ava? Now, once you get into and join with TextBot AI, you'll be receiving a cell phone number. Now, this particular cell phone number is not your regular phone, but it is a assigned number to you that can activate Ava, and that's who the one that's going to be closing out your lead. So this is the number right here that they give you. And also, once you do join the TextBot AI, you'll also be seeing the link that you have. Now you can promote this link to different social media platforms. You can also promote this phone number to different social media platforms as well. But today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote this particular number on Craigslist. Now with Craigslist, you don't have to worry about posting links, because that can stop you from and avoiding from you getting your ads flagged, because Craigslist, they don't like when people post their business opportunities, their links, they pretty much will ban you from doing that. But once you do share this and someone either dials or text this, you're going to see this. It's going to be referred right here. So I'm going to show you here. It's the conversations that Ava has. So you can see right here, when people gets inside of my funnel, Ava has a conversation with them, and they must put Ava tell them the directions to move to the next step, like giving your name, and also it will refer them to your opportunity as well. So I'm gonna go here to Craigslist. Now first I'm gonna go and I'm gonna copy this number. So we're gonna go here over here to Craigslist. Now Craigslist is a classified ad site, as you all know and familiar with, and you get to be able to post your ads in different cities and different states. So when you're using Craigslist, you want to come over here in the computer gig section. Now you want to be able to, let's see, we're going to create a post. So we're going to use, I'm just going to pick any types of city. And usually you want to go pick a city that's pretty much, you don't want too much, you want a city basically that gets high traffic, and also you won't want that's very competitive. So you want to pick a decent city. You're going to choose service offered, and you're going to choose small biz ads. So usually you can post them for about $5. So it's very, very reasonable if you're on a budget. And you just type in your title, your city, and make sure you do research to figure out which city that particular ad that you posting in. Make sure you find out what's the postal code, and then you're going to type in your ad. And below the ad, after you type in your message, then you're going to put it in to click or call or text this number. And so when you send traffic, when people go to these ads and they check them out, they're going to call that number, or they're going to text that number, and that's what Ava going to take care of all the work for you. So this is very, very powerful strategy that you can use with Craigslist. And I used Craigslist for many, many years, and it did serve me good purpose and everything. It helps me out to get those leads, to get those types of, and sooner or later those leads will turn into sales as long as you follow up. So TextBot AI is very, very powerful with Craigslist. Craigslist, like I said before, it's many ways you can be able to promote on Craigslist. You can also do it for free, but I will show you in more videos to come where you can be able to post your free ads without, you know, paying, that you don't worry about have to pay. So but I'll show you that in more videos to come. So yes, this is just a little tutorial on how you can post on Craigslist. We're using TextBot AI. If you're on a budget, for those marketers that's not, you know, they don't have enough money to post Google ads or different types of solo ads or anything in that nature. If you don't have that type of budget, you can use Craigslist on the lower budget, so you can be able to post and get those traffic, the traffic that you need. All right, this is Double Up with Astro, and make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to get started with TextBot AI, the link in the description will be below. Hit that notification bell if you want any upcoming videos that will notify you of anything that I have to present to you guys, that I will show you, and you definitely can get a hold to that. Also, you can text me on and contact me on any social media platforms such as Facebook. That link will also be in the description below. All right, this is Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys on the other side.